Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. My name is Stacey Marsh and I'm an independent demonstrator here for Stampin' Up in the UK. If you don't follow me already, a very warm welcome to you. I'd love it if you subscribed. Just hit the subscribe button and you'll receive future notifications for any videos and tutorials that I share. So today's card I've made using the Sweet Conversations suite of products. That's interesting to say. And I've kept the design quite simple with some layers of DSP and then some lovely cut out hearts. Okay. For this card you're going to need a Highland Heather card base or purple if you're not familiar with the Stampin' Up colours. And I've cut a piece of designer series paper that is roughly 7.5 centimetres wide by 14.9 centimetres long, and I'm going to just go ahead and attach that to our card straight away. And I'm popping that in the centre of the card so that we've got a nice border of our card base showing either side. Now this piece is actually a bit too long. I've not cut it down too much, so I'm just going to trim the excess off there. And then for the front of my card I've got a hexagon die cut from white card, and that's been cut with the beautiful Shapes dies. They're brand new for January 2022 and you'll find them in the mini catalogue or online. I'm going to stamp my sentiment. I'm going to stamp that in Highland Heather, and this sentiment comes from the stamp set that is within this suite. You'll notice on this card here I have just given it a little outline of black pen, and I'm going to do that with a black fine liner. Now this is a really old Stampin' Up pen. If anyone from Stampin' Up is watching, can we have them back please? I like the Stampin' Right markers, but these are so long lasting and they come in a different selection of thicknesses with the nib, so I'm a big fan. We're going to have some dimensionals next. We're going to raise that ever so slightly. I'm just going to grab some dimensionals. Need to be running low. So dimensionals are foam pads and they just help things to raise on our card so that we get different depths of things. Okay, so I'm going to pop that about there. Now what this gives us the chance to do is it gives us a chance to layer things in and around. Okay, so I have gone ahead and cut out a selection of hearts from a piece of the designer series paper, and I am going to layer these around my card, tucking them in and adding them on to create our detail. And these are really great. They remind me of love hearts, these hearts in this paper. They're really cute. Nice. And then just pop some other ones in and around. Layering them as you go. Oops, I've stuck my dimensional on the wrong side. Like so. And what other ones have I got? Love You. We've not got Love You in there. I'm going to leave that just like that because I want to save one for inside my card. So if we open the card up, we can stick in our piece of white, our backing paper. I always put a layer of card inside my cards. The reason for that is it just strengthens everything, and when you've got a lot of weight on the front, you want to add something inside so that it feels quite evenly weighted, the front and the back. Okay, I'm just doing my little black line again, but on the inside, like so. And which one have I not used? I've not used a Love You, so I'm going to pop Love You just inside here. And there we have our little finished card design with our love hearts, and I've got 2 spare to pop in my box of spares. That's it from me today. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to speak to you all very, very soon. Bye for now.